We have here in this small medium test tube some 1 molar hydrochloric acid. And we're going to look at another one of our basic reactions of acids, which is the reaction between an acid and a metal. So reaction between an acid and a metal, in this case, we're using magnesium, which I'm sure you guys have seen this reaction before. That reaction produces a metal salt, and it also produces hydrogen gas. So in this case, we've got hydrochloric acid is going to be reacting with magnesium, and that should produce magnesium chloride and H2 or hydrogen gas. Now, to show that this reaction is actually happening, we know that hydrogen gas is flammable, so we're going to capture the gas produced and see if it catches on fire in what we know as the pop test. So I'm going to start off by adding my magnesium here. I've got 3 bits, which is more than we normally use in class. We're going to make sure we get a good video. Okay, so I'm going to add that there. Quickly pop this on top. All right, you may, if we get it close, be able to see some of the wispy little bits of gas coming up. And that's getting quite hot as well, forming what we know as an exothermic reaction. So you can see all the bubbles there, all the gas evolving. So that's the product that we're producing, which is H2 gas, all moving up into here. Now it's lighter than air, so it will move up and be trapped by this larger test tube, okay? And then what we should be able to do is, trapping that gas in there, we should then be able to light it on fire. Just give it a little bit longer. We look like we're still getting a little bit of fizzing. We're going to capture as much of it as possible so we get a nice flame and a good pop. All right, that looks like most of our metal is gone now. I'm just going to sit this upside down, keep the gas trapped in there while I light my match. So we've still got our gas trapped in there. I've taken the gloves off so that they don't catch on fire. And I'm going to light our match now, being really careful that we don't burn ourselves. And now we should, as you can see, we got a nice pop there. So that means the gas inside exploded, the rushing of the gas outwards caused the pop and the little bit of the flame you saw. And that proves to us that that was hydrogen gas produced. Okay, so that is a reaction of acids with metal.